Here I'll show you a simple and quick step-by-step method to mark every email in your Outlook inbox or any category as read, saving you time and keeping your mailbox organized. For this you can go any category of mail. You can do for inbox as well. Now when you right-click on one mail and there you will get option to mark as read for that particular mail as shown here. Now if you want to mark all as read, you can check in select option as shown here. After that you will get checkbox just before your category. Just check in that box. After that all mail when in your mail category groups get selected. Then you can click on mark as read option here. Other way is just right click on any mail and then select mark as read option as shown here. You will get this confirmation. Just click on OK button. Now just wait for some time and you will find all mail under that category is already marked as read. Now just go and reload the page and you will find all mail under that category is already marked as read. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.